कल हमने एक टारगेट रखा था, गोल रखा था व्याघ्र दर्शन का। तो सर ने हमको सिखाया, हम किसी भी हद तक गए, पूरा घर का सब कुछ छोड़ के, हमें पता है कुछ तो हमारे कार में ऐसे भी शेर थे कि उनके रिंग मास्टर की परमिशन के बिना आए थे। तो रात के 2:30 बजे तक हमने हद पार कर दी थी। रात के 2:30 मगर हमें नहीं मिला, तो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, गोल अचीव नहीं किया, मगर हमने वो क्षण वहां तक के हम एंजॉय किया। तो हमें जगन्नाथ सर ने ये पूरे इसमें यही सिखाया है कि गोल तो रखना है, मगर ना भी सक्सेस मिले तो भी वो जर्नी हमारा अच्छा हो जाना चाहिए। और एक बात हम जो सीखे हैं, वो जो गोल रखना है और उसके ऊपर जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होना चाहिए, वो कोई कांग्रेस ग्रास के जैसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आज डाले बीज और कल निकल आए और दूसरे दिन से भूल गए। तो जो सर के ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में हमने गेन किया है, वो एक वट वृक्ष की तरह हो जाना चाहिए, वो कि लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होना चाहिए इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन और एग्जीक्यूशन, सो दैट वी कैन अचीव आवर गोल नाइसली। Sir, we got a lot of things from you. Thank you very much. Once again, I am thankful to electrical department who conducted these programs, and we get a knowledge from it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful feedback. Sir.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and my dear friends, the course was very good. The content wise, there is very good content, as we are learning in the life two ways. One way is by experience, whatever we are doing, from that we will learn, and other way is training. So this is the training, and really we will use it while we are teaching or while we are achieving the goals in the life. So I really congratulate the organizers. So again, thank you, principal sirs. They have given us permission to attend the course. So thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir, please.
Good afternoon. Myself Shirish Adam. These 5 days were so much. What are the STTPs I have attended in this institute? Out of that, this is one of the comfortable STTP, as we have organized, or the electrical department has organized it in a mechanical engineering department new audio visual room or the seminar hall. The hall is very nice, so it was so much comfortable. Also the presenter Mr. Jagannath sir has interacted with all of us personally, so we got so many new tricks how to interact with the in the class, or when there is a we have to interact with the more people, which ways we have to follow, which activities we can conduct, because there are some activities which we can conduct in the classes also to get some breathe out of the technical things that are going on in the class. So thank you for that. I also thankful to the electrical and electronics engineering department for organizing such a new topic or a different topic course for all the faculty members. I have one request for the principal sir only, that I have personally seen during this presentation that there is a always I found the requirement of a collar mic for the presenter. So I think this will be fulfilled within the month for the this room at least. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your valuable feedback and wonderful suggestion. I heartily apologize for forgetting my welcome to our principal, Dr. J. Dhomni sir. I apologize, sir. I request Professor R.S. Sardas sir, head of the electrical mechanical engineering department, to welcome our principal. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. Now I request coordinator Dr. V.N. Ghate sir, who has initiated and motivated us to organize such a wonderful event. I request him to say a few words on this function. Sir.
Above all, coincidentally, the valedictory function of our STTP falls on the eve of the birth anniversary of the Savitribai Phule. First of all, I salute her. Respected Principal Sir, Dr. G. A. Dhomni Sir, the Managing Director of the company, Niranjan Wagmare Sir, Training Faculty, Mr. Jagannath, all head of the departments and dear participants. Friends, since last 5 days we are enjoying the STTP and now we are in the last session of the same. At the inaugural function, I told you that we were in confusion state to select the theme for the STTP, and finally we had selected the effective personnel management, and whatever the experience we have during the STTP, we realized that we have selected the theme very correctly. Friends, in the previous management program, all the participants were very much inspired with the positive energy and attitude, and we observed the many positive changes in the institute also. Hope that in this program also you gain something positive. Of course, every coin has two sides, and hence the program also. But I request all the participants to leave behind the negative things and attitude and come out of the hall with the positive only. Among the participants, some may come across the contents of the program for the first time, and definitely they will get positive energy from the program. Some senior members may come across the contents many times during their service, but friends, as a human habit, it is very neat to remind good things time to time so that adoption of the good things will be continued in our life. Friends, as from the feedback we came to know that the program can be said successful. Of course, credit goes to my team, Professor Rosatkar, Professor More, and all the staff members of my department. And if any lacuna or loopholes may be there, and it might be there because we got one written feedback that this event is poorly managed, and that's why I say that there may be some lacuna or the loopholes, and hence the responsibility of that lacuna or the loopholes will be lies to me only. At last, I express my sincere thanks to the Principal Sir and the TechUp team for their support and the encouragement. I know that the second installment of the fund under TechUp is yet to receive from the SPFU, but still the TechUp team and the Principal Sir had permitted us to conduct this program. Thank you, sir. I wish all the participants and good luck and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our guest, Mr. Niranjan Wagmare, to speak few words on this occasion. Sir.
Honorable Dais, dear professors, lecturers, and some students. First of all, I pay my tributes and respect to Savitribai Phule, whose birth anniversary happens to be today, and just a coincidence that you're valedicting today. It's my sheer pleasure to be here. Unfortunately, I couldn't be here on day one. But I have been talking to my colleague Jagannath almost every day. Just try and find out what transpired during the day. So I got his version every day, what went well, what could have been better, and everything else. But this always takes me back to my first conversation with Professor Dr. Dhomne sir, quite some time ago. Actually, first time I got in touch with him, I told him who we were and what we were doing elsewhere in the engineering ecosystem and what have you. And I must say the energy that I saw in my first conversation with him stands today. It's been a while, it's been a good few months since we spoke first time. He promptly put me in touch with Professor Dr. Ghate sir. Again, we had a number of conversations. Every single conversation, whether we were actually concluding as to what we were going to do or not, was immaterial. But every single conversation gave me that positive vibe that, you know, here are the people who actually are quite keen to do something for the college, for the scope of responsibility that they carry. And subsequently then Professor Rosatkar came along. I was so excited the day he called me and he said, you know, some time ago you had sent us a proposal saying that, you know, we recommend this training program for the faculty. Now we've decided to do it and you have to start on the 30th of December. And that was about 5 days before 30th of December. The first thing I did was I said yes. I didn't know whether we were going to be able to deliver, you know, arrange our colleagues who were training elsewhere and what have you. But, you know, come 30th of December, my colleague was here. The training happened 5 days. We are here on the 5th day. What this tells me is that a college builds its reputation based on the kind of faculty it has. More importantly, the kind of leadership it has. Leadership at the helm, leadership at department level, leadership at each function, leadership at each program. There are always you know, limitations to anything, limitations to scope, limitations to responsibilities, and they may have been here. But what I have heard, I have taken sparing feedbacks from people. It's been extremely encouraging. The credit for the content, the scope, also goes to yourselves. Our job is to just tell you what all is there and what can be delivered. But sir, you are the ones who have actually decided that this is what is important for our faculty. So what went on in the last 5 days was your credit. You organized it. I congratulate the college, Professor Dhomne sir, Ghate sir, Rosatkar sir, More sir. We met for the first time. I personally met every one of them for the first time, and I can see that energy from day one. I am fortunate, I'm honored, pleased to be here with my company, my colleagues, and hearing all those wonderful feedbacks. I hope this association continues. I hope we continue to add value to your faculty further, to your non-teaching, to your students going forward. And this goes beyond all the other relationships. My commitment to you, sir, is every single time we do any such training, any such function where we are involved, you will probably see even greater commitment. The commitment that we had in the last 5 days, even greater commitment to this. I stop here. Once again, I congratulate all of you. Thank you so much for inviting us here, and a very happy new year to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request the person who has been with us in the last 5 days, taught us regarding our lifestyles, how to improvise ourselves, how to strengthen our mind, how to work effectively in professionalism, socially, at our personal life also. I request Mr. Jagannath Dulge sir to say few words and share his experience of these 5 days. Sir.
Honorable Principal Sir and Honorable Director Mr. Niranjan Wagmare and respective HODs of the college and all my dear participants. I'm happy and honored to be here to be part of your this 5 days of life. I'm really grateful to all principals sir, HODs, Rosatkar sir, More sir, Ghate sir, and most importantly, all my participants who are already, they never questioned my age.
They never questioned my experience. Still, they had given wonderful commitment, dedication for full participant. Never asked me why we have to do. You are already, you have more than experience what I have. But you never questioned me. For that, I need to salute for that. And because always we eager to teach only, but never learn. But the thing is, you people have given your commitment for last 5 days. I really appreciate for that. And these 5 days going to be my unforgettable days of my life, because you made these 5 days of my life. And by participating, by giving such a wonderful memories. And the thing is, whatever I wanted to share with you, I shared you. And always one thing I say, that when I am sharing my ideas, my strategies, my thoughts with you, always I learn something from every person who is doing something good or something maybe negatively. But still I always take good things forward, and I just that is going to be my part of life. And I'll be sharing those things to somewhere else. And I know I'm not going to forget you all. And thank you so much for giving your full patience, commitment and dedication for attending this program. And wish you all the best, and wish you happy new year. And thank you for giving such a wonderful opportunity to share my ideas. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our principal, Dr. J. Dhomne sir, to say a few words. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. At the outset, I pay homage to Savitribai Phule, legendary social reformer of the time. With her husband, Jyotirao Phule, she could manage to produce the social reform, and which culminated or which progressed to the modern society. It is said that she is the first lady teacher of first school at that time. So coming back to our valedictory function, at the outset I congratulate the coordinators and co-coordinators, Dr. Vilas Ghate, Dr. Dinesh, Professor Dinesh Rojatkar, and soon he will be doctor within a couple of months. Then More sir, for arranging this program. And there was a wide gap between two STTPs. I think 5 months back, last STTP was held by Instrumentation Department, and then this could be possible. I also congratulate all the participants who have taken. We have taken the lively participation in the function actually, because I could attend morning sessions, and I have seen the energy of the participants, and it was possible due to the Tulje sir, because he made so easy, so comfortable here, so that everyone could participate and contribute his or her own to the program. So it was a very family program type, and the contents also was very rich, because I have attended so many such programs actually. I knew most of the things of such programs, but the way he conducted was excellent, because that gave the everybody to participate in the function. So I also thankful to the managing director of Veritas Company, Niranjanji Wagmare, for giving excellent trainer for us, choosing a proper person for us. I am also proud of my faculty, because I have very young and energetic faculty ready for taking any assignment at any time. Average is around, I think, 35 to 36 years. And they are also eager to listen to such programs. And again, we can arrange few programs in the few programs for students and non-teaching. So we will be inviting in the due course of time. this program definitely added certain value in our lives, personal, as Professor More said, personal and professional also. Everybody should be somewhat selfish, should be somewhat selfish, because if one does not improve, he could not try to improve the other. So there should be value addition to himself so that that can be utilized for the other. I am always telling about the positive things, not the negative things. Okay? So for how to achieve the positive things, how to fight with the failures, how to digest the success. So that is that mantra is given by Dulje sir. So actually things are very sometimes become difficult because we always guide the students. So अपना ऐसा goal set करो, ऐसा goal set करो, ये करो, वो करो. But when teacher asks us, just put down few goals with reasons how you achieve. So it becomes very difficult. You must have we all must have experienced it. So that gives the challenge to our memory, and then it refreshes us, and it adds the new things, new dimensions to our personality. So I hope if there is delta addition to each personality, then I think this is the measure of one of the indicators of the successful program. So I am again thankful to everybody, and I am thankful to the organizer giving me the chance. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for appreciating us as well as giving the motivation for conducting such programs. Friends, now it's time for the letter of appreciation, that is the certificate distribution. I request our guest, Mr. Jagannath Dulge sir,